Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, let me guide you through the process of adding tag posts to your Instagram timeline. First, open the Instagram app on your device and navigate to your profile. Once on your profile, locate the three lines in the top right corner and tap on them. This will take you to a menu where you'll need to scroll down until you find the Tags and Mentions option. Tap on it, and you'll see the settings for who can tag you. You can choose to allow tags from everyone or enable the option to manually approve tags. If you choose manual approval, you'll receive notification when someone tags you, and you can review and approve them before they appear on your timeline. To review pending tags, tap on Review Tags or Pending Tags, depending on the app version. Here you will see all the pending tags that you can either approve or disapprove. Once approved, tag posts will be visible on your Instagram timeline. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add tag posts to your Instagram timeline. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.